I'm excited to launch documents for professional financial advisors. Here's a question for you. How do you grow trust, elevate your brand, and client experience without the massive budgets of large firms or large teams? Well, with Pulse Documents, you're going to be able to do just that. You can say goodbye to looking for those templates, where are they, or sending out unprofessional emails. Now, you can use our documents feature as well as templates to create and store in a centralized location. Let's show you how this works. So we have templates right here and documents. With templates now, if we click on there, you'll see we have added more categories that you can create as well, besides just agenda and summary. You can just press the new category and create your different categories like confirmation here, or information, or onboarding emails. All of those different emails or communication you want to send out can now stay in one place. Here you can look at under confirmations, we have a variety of different versions, appointment confirmations or address updates. From an informational standpoint, this is a simple email I've added in, basically letting our clients know when they expect different tax documents, right? You use that towards the beginning of the year. Let's look at, some of the client onboarding ones, for example, as well as planning. Here, I'm going to open up the planning one, for example, and just show you if you have a new prospect, you can then send them this document as an email, and they will now know how professional you are at all of this. Let's jump over to documents and show you how this is all going to work. Here, it's a listing of all the documents across all contacts, and each document can now be connected to multiple contacts. We've previously done these documents via events, tied to an event, but we felt it's better to have these type of non-meeting documents to be connected just to the contacts, and you can add husband and wife, for example, in as contacts, so you'll know it's going to show up for both. Let's create a new document. First option when you create a new document is just to create a blank one, start from scratch, or you can utilize one of the recently used ones that are showing up right here. At the same time, what you can do is maybe go down and pick one of the existing templates that you already have created previously. Let's say I wanted to onboard a client, so I'm going to go ahead and click that template. I can name it as how you want. I'm not very creative here, so I'm just going to write test, and then what we'll do is attach it to a contact. I'm going to pick Dana for now to connect with, as well as now I can add multiple. So if there's a husband-wife team, you can add that right there. You have multiple different categories that you can change this as well at this point. In this case, I'm going to remain it as onboarding because it is onboarding document. And now I'm going to go ahead and create. And what this does is going to bring up the editor where you can now edit this template if you'd like, make changes, but then this is the email or PDF or print that you can send out, right? Make sure that you look at the greetings, for example. If there's multiple clients, you want to make sure that's showing up for you, or you need to type that in. This is fully editable, so as you're seeing here, you can create these as you see fit. Now, because we're optimized for email, when you send these documents via the share option here, via send email or print or PDF, you can be sure that it is going to look just like what you're sending to your clients. You can also put in different categories as far as our status is concerned, pending review or final or draft. I'm going to go ahead and save this document, and what you're now going to notice is how I'm going to go able to pull this document up by going into the contact dashboard. So I'm going to jump over to contacts and pick Dana, and what you're going to see is all the recent documents are going to be listed right here, as well as when you click over to the documents section, you'll have all documents populating right here. So you can quickly look for documents that were created and see what you need to do. I'm excited for this launch. Let us know how we can help you get 10 times the efficiency out of using Pulse 360.